Hi, welcome to the Animation Chefs Shark Week Peek. One of the animation chefs, out of costume as you can see. I'm hard at work on this Shark vs. Rabbit episode. You'll notice that we're in the Animating Kids studio. If you haven't seen Animating Kids, we post stop motion animation demonstrations using mobile devices. So Shark vs. Rabbit is where we kind of walk the walk or practice what we preach. So we always have a storyboard to begin with. So you kind of got the shark that's going towards the rabbit, got the rabbit. It's got this kind of suspicious looking hat. Shark comes over, here's a rabbit. And so there's a firework. And he's like, he bites onto it. So he has a lighter. And the shark's like, oh no. So he bites the rocket and the rocket blasts off. So, shoo. And so he's just kind of up there in the clouds. Then he's kind of happy. Then, just a big explosion. Then you got these fish guys just kind of chilling in the bottom of the sea. Then he kind of shows up all ashy and they kind of swim away. So here's what some of the props look like before we animate. So here's all of our rabbit poses. We got the kind of close-up thing. We got the blink, got the medium shot where he kind of steps out and he reveals the rocket. So here's his arm where he lights the fuse, the different flames he used for the fuse. Here's one shark. He's biting onto the firework and we have all these flames right here. And this is when he kind of lets go of the firework in the air. And that's kind of his smiling face when he realizes, oh, everything's better, but it's not really. And then right here is this burnt out shark that kind of falls to the ocean where the fish swim away from it. So here's the close-up of the shark's eye when he kind of looks at the fuse being lit. Got an in-between blur right here. And we got some other clouds over here to add to the effect. These right here, these are also in-between blurs of him kind of whooshing upward into the sky. And so this setup that we have here is we have an iPad usually in this stand that's kind of pointing right here facing the background that we have. Here we kind of have it set up so that the rabbit's on the island and the shark's about to leap over and latch onto the rocket. So like from beginning to end, like storyboarding to final edit to posting online, this takes about 7 to 8 hours to complete.